You have no idea what's in you. You have no idea right now. Everything that's in you is basically projecting to your outer world. Your inner world right now is creating your outer world. Every situation, every problem, every mishap, everything that has taken place in your life, you did it. And most of you, you're focusing on everything outside. Well, I need to change them. I need to change my spouse. I need to change my job. I need to change my clothes. But what about you? You! See, you won't face yourself because you're scared of yourself. You're afraid of the thoughts. You're afraid of the pain. You're afraid of failure. See, the thing is, most people, you know why they won't be entrepreneurs or won't even attempt it or can't persevere? Because they fear failure. They fear looking bad. Your inner world is creating your outer world.